Watch the heavy machine tear through a massive tree, its sharp chainsaw cutting like a beast. Incredible power, effortlessly conquering each log. Are you ready for the show? Wow, it's so fortunate that no logs fell down. He has excellent driving skills. A tree collapsed onto the roof, and he had to clear away each log to prevent further damage. Oh my God, what happened to this log truck? Every log on the truck stayed intact, but the truck itself is standing straight up at a 90-degree angle, as if it's begging, "Can I have a little rest, please?" Wow, this is quite an impressive machine designed for cutting small to medium-sized logs. The Fated Giant, a silver maple tree. To take down a colossal ancient tree like a silver maple, lumberjacks must possess not only skilled techniques, but also an in-depth understanding of tree structure. Equipped with a 60-inch guide bar, the Ripsaw 500 ERI features cutting-edge technology, optimizing power output and minimizing vibrations for stability during cutting. Wow, the wood chips are flying out like bullets. Cutting small logs is so quick and efficient. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh my God! He just threw the chainsaw away. Is this a common thing among lumberjacks? Oh, the chainsaw seems like it's saying to him, "I don't want to go flying off the cliff like this." The Mill's WG-24 is one of the most advanced machines designed for handling tree stumps after felling, making land clearing more efficient. It can process a variety of large diameter stumps while maintaining stable performance. The log splitter is a brilliant invention that significantly reduces the labor required for preparing firewood for the winter. Instead of using an axe, a manual method that consumes a lot of energy and time, the machine makes the process much faster and more efficient. Have you ever dared to climb towering trees where a single mistake could lead to disaster? The work of high tree climbers requires undeniable courage and exceptional skill. They are equipped with modern safety gear, such as safety ropes, helmets, and slip-resistant boots, to ensure their protection while performing their dangerous tasks. Now let's put ourselves in the first-person perspective of a high climber to experience it through the screen. This is how branches are lowered from great heights using ropes with extremely professional technique. The sawing platform is a complex system designed to optimize the cutting and milling of wood, transforming sturdy logs into highly accurate planks. It allows for the processing of even the toughest and largest types of wood. The saw blades are typically made from special alloys, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and heat resistance when cutting wood over extended periods. This results in products with consistent dimensions and high-quality standards. With the saw blade's speed reaching hundreds of meters per minute, any mistake could lead to a serious accident. Therefore, those working with the sawmill must undergo thorough training. The wood splitter is a powerful machine designed to handle massive logs that traditional methods, like using an axe or a splitting maul, cannot process efficiently. This machine operates by utilizing a high-powered hydraulic cylinder to push the log into a sharp blade, effortlessly slicing through even the toughest grains of wood. Its robust design allows for quick and effective splitting, making it an essential tool for large-scale wood processing. The stump grinder uses a sharp grinding wheel with teeth made from highly abrasion-resistant alloy, rotating at extremely high speeds to cut, grind, and crush each layer of wood and tree roots. Wow, watching the machine cut each branch into firewood is truly satisfying. Oh, have you ever tried using a log splitter like he has? This high-powered log splitter is the perfect combination of intelligent design and strength. The hydraulic system is the heart of the machine, providing an immense amount of pressure to split even the toughest wood grains. Each log must be placed correctly to ensure the blade cuts at the optimal angle, making the splitting process continuous and uninterrupted. In a time when the demand for wood is rising, technologies like this not only save time, but also protect human health and energy. A notable feature of these machines is that safety is prioritized in their design. With the power to split a large log in an instant, these devices are equipped with multiple protective features, such as an emergency stop system and shielding, to ensure the operator is not hit by flying wood debris or involved in any accidents during operation. In competitions like Sawmill, this becomes an intense performance. Participants not only compete against each other, but also face the pressure of time and the need for absolute precision. Each lumberjack is required to use their skilled techniques to cut, split, and process logs in the shortest time possible. The Dail chainsaw, the tool commonly used in the competition, is equipped with a two-stroke engine and a sharp chain, powerful enough to slice through even the toughest blocks of wood. Controlling this saw demands top-notch handling skills. Competitors must know how to adjust the speed and pressure so that the cut does not damage the wood and prevents the saw from getting stuck. The Sawmill competition is not just a platform for lumberjacks to showcase their individual skills, but also an opportunity to honor the forestry profession, where the strength of humans and technology come together to conquer the challenges of nature. This is a playground where every precise cut becomes a work of art, and every passing second is a memorable moment. This machine is an integrated system, handling everything from raw wood cutting to processing and organizing the split wood pieces. In the first step, the logs are fed into an automatic conveyor belt, where high-powered saw blades cut them into preset sizes. Once the logs are cut, they are pushed into a splitting unit, where stainless steel blades split the wood into evenly sized pieces. The splitting force is generated by a powerful hydraulic system capable of producing tons of pressure. The machine is equipped with automatic conveyors to efficiently transport the processed wood, reducing the need for manual labor. This is a large-scale industrial wood chipper designed to process tons of wood every hour, transforming massive logs into uniform wood chips. Equipped with a series of sharp blades made from tough steel alloys, the machine operates with a high-speed drum that quickly and powerfully crushes and chops the logs. The centrifugal force from the blades helps maintain speed and stability, ensuring that each piece of wood is shredded without obstruction. After being shredded, the wood is transported via a conveyor system, contributing significantly to waste processing in the forestry industry. The stream of sawdust, shot out like a powerful waterfall, is a testament to the machine's strength and precision. Have you ever wondered how a sturdy tree trunk can be processed into smooth, flat wooden planks in the blink of an eye? The process begins by feeding the logs onto a conveyor belt, where advanced laser sensors scan to determine the size and shape, automatically aligning and cutting the wood to specification. These conveyors not only save labor, but also ensure that each log is positioned accurately and safely. The logs are then pushed through high-powered saw blades, which spin at extreme speeds, easily and smoothly cutting through the wood grain. The thin wooden planks are then passed through a drying system that uses infrared technology to ensure optimal moisture levels before being used in industrial applications. This process showcases the remarkable creativity and craftsmanship of humans, offering a fresh perspective on how technology has revolutionized the wood processing industry, transforming what was once rough and bulky into premium materials.